Okay, in order to test, we're gonna press the F10 and that will invoke the Diagnose for the ThinkPad. This normally is included or built in the diagnostic system, and we're gonna use the option for K to test the keyboard. We're gonna use the C to confirm, and the keyboard will be displayed on the screen. You should be able to test every single key of your keyboard just to confirm that the new keyboard that you just installed is in really good condition. Some of these keys will remain black because your keyboard won't have all of them.